Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Jay, back at it again with the Crimson Camry. You know how it is. I like to get straight to the point. First off, I just want to say thank you for all the support, guys. It's been the ride has been crazy. As at this point when I'm making the video now, I have almost 400 subscribers and over 600 followers on Instagram. You know, like, honestly, I did not see this coming all the way back in January when I decided to do this. I wish I would have started sooner. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get to it. You guys read the description. We are installing Cuztomtuning's front lip and side skirts to my 2020 Camry. And as you can see right here, they're paint match two-tone supersonic rig with midnight black metallic. You can see the little pearls and stuff inside of it. It's looking good. Don't mind the little lint. I just cleaned them off. My fingerprints been all over them. Yes sir, looking good, looking good. So pretty much the first thing we're going to go ahead and do, if you have mud flats, most people should have them. Turn your wheel in to go ahead and take them off. You got a push-in right here, you got another push-in right here, a 10mm bolt right here, and I guess whatever I decide to put right here, it might be different for you. And then for the back, you will need to put the side skirt in this area right here. So jack up your car and take off your rear wheel. I'm gonna go ahead and show you all that stuff. The side skirt goes right on top of here. It looks like I already have a side skirt, but this is actually OEM from Toyota. It's just 3M tape right on top of it. It gives it a pretty good, nice look if you want to go the cheap way about it. Side skirts from Cuztomtuning were $160 in matte black. It cost me, a couple $100 to get these painted. The OEM 3M tape right here is about $45 off of eBay, or you go to dealer and get it for like $60. I don't know. I could put the link in the description of that below. It's much easier for me this time because I do have power tools. All right, so we're looking at these two bolts right here, nothing crazy. Spacers look okay. So anyway, so yeah, we're just gonna take these out and move on from there. 10mm, nothing too crazy. You don't need a power tool for this, but I'm just using it because it's better to do this with one hand. Now, Cuztomtuning did give you some 3M tape for your so I went to AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, whatever. Got me some 3M tape of my own. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to flip this over, and we're going to be pinning the 3M tape right along here, along the whole entire strip. Okay. All right. Next, you want to get the side skirt. Go ahead and clean underneath here where you're going to put the 3M tape at with some alcohol. All right. That's the only spot you need to clean. Let it air dry. All right. You can see it. All right, let it air dry real quick. Usually only take about 10 seconds. All right, you guys see what I'm doing, okay? Now I want you guys to see something. This was the 3M tape. Now the 3M tape I grabbed was just enough for the entire side skirt. So if you want this right amount or just enough or whatever, so you're not getting too much, but I mean you're going to be buying this a lot. This is what you want to get from Advanced Auto Parts. All right, 1.5 by 5 feet. All right, so we're going to take this and we're going to leave it in the sun. Now we're going to be taking off the mud flat in the front. You may not have to go through this. I'm pretty sure most people will rather have mud flats on their car if you don't have to stop this. So I make it do what it do. God dang, these things, I never had a problem with these before. Jeez. Alright, take that off. There is one underneath too. A 10mm right here. Just let you know, you won't be able to take this off. You won't be able to take this off right here unless you use socket wrench to get under that way. That would be easier, honestly. I just decided to use that because I have it, you know what I'm saying? So nothing too crazy. One last thing is this Phillips I have sitting right here. All right, anybody want to buy these? Say no. Anyway, get some alcohol. Clean off your car right here and the inside. Same for this side. I mean, there's nothing really here. What you do need to clean with alcohol is right here in your door jamb, right here. You want to make sure this is super clean with alcohol because I know this is a very dirty spot every time you wash your car. All right, I'm pretty sure it's been about 20, 30 minutes now. So I left it sit out there longer than I needed, but it's all right. So now we're going to go ahead and put this on first. The 3 inches just like that, as you can see. Now you have the tape right here, and you can sit here and just peel it. As you peel it, just go ahead and put pressure on here so that means the side skirt sticks on. Okay? Just like that. Just like that, y'all. Not rocket science. This makes it so much easier. That way, say if you put it in the wrong placement, you was able to take it off and put it back on. All right. Easy, easy. Look at that. And now, side skirt's right here. We're gonna put the bolts where they need to be. Before we get into that, you can always see the difference, man. Look at that. Look at that thing right there. Do y'all need to see it before again? Because I can show you that too. Before. After. That look good. These are the screws that came with Cuztomtuning side skirts right here.
When you look tight like that,
yeah, it ain't going nowhere.
It ain't going nowhere. You know when you hit it,
sir.
If you keep on going, you know you can hit it.
Yep. And same thing for the other side. Find spots, make your holes. All right. Use the previous holes. One's like right here, and the other one is right here. All right. After that, you're good to go. You're going to put your wheel back on, and then you can move over to the next side. Looks good, man. I went ahead and put two on this side just because they gave me enough to do it. You don't need to put any screws underneath. Underneath is fine. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the other side. I'm not gonna re-explain the process for the other side. I'm just gonna sit here and let it record, fast forward, let y'all see it. You already know the big deal. It's pretty simple, okay? All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my wheel back on and wrap that up, and then I'm gonna make some space for me so I can start installing a front lip. I'm gonna have a friend do it with me, so we're gonna go ahead and do that thing, and so y'all can see that too, and see the final product of what it looked like with, you might as well say, a full Cuztomtuning body kit, because I got the diffuser, I got the spats, I got the skirts, and I got the front lip, so it's looking good, man. And I got the spoiler too. Forgot about that. So yeah. That shot right there, I see where you had a problem. It just like bent out a little bit. So this shot is going first since it's closed up. Okay. All right.
Put the middle one on first. Push the middle one a bit more.
You need to put some 3M tape right here. Long hair if it's long, so it can stick to this part. Before you do it, make sure you wipe it off with alcohol. That way you know it sticks properly. Oh wow, is it gonna stick to it?
If anything, you can just sand it down. Mine was the same thing. I think it should stick.
Alright, make sure you wipe this off right here. Alright, let it dry or just dry it off yourself. Peel your tape. John, hold that camera. You got that cheap 3M tape.
You can take the tape off.
Make sure this part right here is fitted. It is going to be completely tight. You're going to have a hard time. After these screws, then it'll fit like, look like it's factory. You're going to have a little bit gray showing regardless because it is an aftermarket part. So don't worry about that, it's not that deep unless you're too crazy about OCD. Alright, this is the part also my. Alright, so what I did, because it is aftermarket, so it's not going to fit perfectly. Alright, so we put 3M tape in this spot right here because it was having a hard time stick in this area. Alright. Oh, you got 2 holes there. Is there a spot for the bottom?
I wouldn't do it. I think 2 is good enough, bro. That's what I did. I just did 2.
Is there? This one's so much easier, bro. No comparison. No comparison, honestly. I'm not. All right, so that's all it takes to put the front lip on. 3M tape. We had a little minor right here. This was a used front lip for my friend. He cracked it on the side, so I did what I had to do to make it work. You won't have that problem if you buy it brand new from Cuztomtuning. But this is what it looked like. You will, like I said before, you will have this silver piece from the XSE. If you have an XSE sticking out,
I can hardly see it though.
But you can barely see it from the just from plain view. But it looks good. So I'm gonna clean it up and we're going to close this out. Alright guys, so that does wrap up the video. Let me know what you guys think about the front lip and side skirts inside the comments below. Please do me a favor. If you guys have any questions, before you ask me the question, read the description and read the comments below. I may have already answered it already, but besides that, if I haven't, just message me privately on Instagram. It's so much easier that way. I've been getting so many messages left and right, so that's really all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned to the next video. Got big things coming up, man. Deuces.